people, I'm back again. Now in the previous video we talked about, or we showed us how to strengthen our back muscles. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to strengthen your leg muscles. Okay, when I talk about your leg, I mean your waist down to your feet. Now what that does for you is that as you age, whatever arthritis that may try to come up would either be receded or stopped entirely in its tracks. You don't want to grow older and have many problems with arthritis. Some people don't even realize what it is until they start feeling it, and until it gets worse, and until they have to go to the doctor and the doctor tells them, "Oh, I'm sorry sir, I'm sorry ma, you have arthritis, osteoporosis." You want to take care of yourself. You want to maintain this body. It's part of wellness, okay? You want to maintain this body to work for you till much later in your life, okay? It also helps to elongate your life. But when you don't do any form of workout, you don't take good care of your body and different organs begin to degenerate until they start to give you problems. But if you start to take care of them, you start to exercise, you start to work out, you firm your muscles, you strengthen your body will serve you for much longer. Now, a lot of people think that exercise is only for people who want to lose weight. No. There are exercises that are for weight loss, and there are exercises that strengthen your body, okay? And also some people think that exercises are only to build muscles, like a muscle man or a muscle woman. Not necessarily. You can build your muscles without having your muscles protruding, okay? That's the only difference. But inside, you'll be strengthened. You would even feel energized and stronger. So the benefits of exercising are enormous. They are immense to the body, believe me. Don't go a week without exercising at least twice or 3 times in the week. So now sit back, relax, and watch this video on how to strengthen your leg muscles. And don't just watch and leave it there. Exercise along with the video. Do the things that you see me do in the video. I try to make it as simple as possible so that you can follow. Now do this workout for 2 times or 3 times in a week. You don't have to start the workouts by doing 10, 20, 50 rounds per workout, okay? You can start with as little as 5 rounds. For instance, if you have to raise your leg, you raise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And then you do the other one. You don't have to do so much at a time. So lovely people, stay tuned, watch this video, and I hope that at the end of the day, you will keep fit and keep well.
Hello lovely people, welcome to the exercise segment of this workout video. Now this is a workout to strengthen your leg muscles and aid your joints. So you can see I'm swaying, I'm hopping from side to side, and I'm easing out my neck also. These are warm-ups that you must do before you start any major exercise. Now I'm not going to do much in this video because in my previous exercise video on how to strengthen your back muscles, I had done a lot of warm-up. So you can go back to that video and follow those warm-up routines. So now I'm going to start by doing this workout which mimics brisk walking, okay? So you can see the position that you start with, and then you go from one foot to the other, one leg to the other. Take note of my leg movements, my feet movements, not just the legs. Look at the feet and the toes, and then take note of my arm movements, and note that I'm also standing up straight. Okay, so if you are going out brisk walking, this is the way you would look. Your legs do more of the movement and your arms are just to support you, okay? Brisk walking strengthens your calf muscles, which is under your knees, under the back of your knees, and it also strengthens your leg muscles, and it's also a good cardiovascular exercise, okay? So if you cannot go out to brisk walk, like I said, these are simple tips, simple routines that you can do in your home, okay? So if you cannot go out for a walk, you can mimic these movements at home. You can mimic brisk walking at home, just like in the previous video you saw us mimicking skipping at home. Now what I'm doing is I'm jogging on the spot. You can jog a little fast and you can go slow depending on you. What's important is that you're jogging and you're raising your knees a little bit high, okay? So Rather than jog outside, if you cannot jog outside, you can also do this in your home. This helps you to warm up, and it also helps your leg muscles. So now you can see my position for the next move. You see my position. Your body has to be straight, and you have to be able to tiptoe. Your body needs to be straight, and you go on your toes and down, and then on your toes and down. Not really your toes, but like the ball of your feet. Okay, so you keep doing this up and down movements. Okay, they look like very small movements, but if you're doing it right now, you would feel the effect in your legs. Okay, after a while you shake it up. Now the next we're going to do is squatting. We squat up and down. Squatting is classic for your legs. Okay, you feel it in your thighs, your thigh region, your hip region, and also your legs generally. And then if you remember in school, if you ever did frog jumps in school, remember this move. Frog jumps are like squatting, just that you have to jump. Okay, so this helps your entire body, and it also of course strengthens your legs. For this next move, you have to find a platform, something that is strong enough for you to climb about 1 foot high. Okay, I'm using my seat right now because I am not at the gym and I don't have equipment. Climb with 1 foot and then join the next foot, and then come down with the same foot that you climbed up with, and then return with the next foot, and then you do this repeatedly for 5 to 7 counts depending on how far you can go. Now for the next move, we'll be trying to gain balance. We'll be trying to work on our balance. So you keep your arms, suspend your arms in this way, and then raise one leg up to this position where your foot can touch your knee, and then you hold up for as long as you can, count to like 5, and then do the same with the next leg. Okay, this works on your balance. Now if you cannot balance like I'm doing, you can hold on to something, and just hold lightly to something and try it out until you work on your balance. Now this helps to build balance and stamina in your legs, in your body generally. Now the next move is we take our foot to the side and then we balance on our legs, just for balance. Now this is a little easier because you balance better. If it's not too easy for you, you can also hold on to something. Now the next is put your 2 hands together in front of you like so, and we're going to be lifting our legs to the side. Okay, this also works on your legs and inner thighs, and also your outer thighs. So just do it for as many counts as you can, and then you do the same with the second leg. I'm doing like 10 counts. Okay, but if you can do 5, if you can do 3, that's fine. So if you can't go this high, it's still fine. You can go as high as you can, but the more you practice, the better you can do. The more you practice, the better you get at it. Okay, so please take note that at the end of these workouts, you may feel some strain, some pain. Give yourself a day or 2 break, give yourself 2 or 3 days break, and then go on. Now we're going to do more of the balance. We're going to do more of the balance moves. Personally, I like to be able to stand on one leg without falling. Okay, the next move is we're gonna go on the floor like so, and we're gonna be lifting. Now if you are at the gym, you could have some equipment that you push with your feet, but now I'm not at the gym, so I'm just gonna pretend like I have something I'm pushing against. Okay, so I push into the air. Of course, if you pretend like you're pushing something pushing something with your feet, you're gonna feel the pressure. Okay, so you feel the pressure in your legs and in your thighs. Note that my hands are down on the floor. Not the way I position my feet, okay, flat like that. I don't go toes in the air, I go heels in the air instead. So I push against the air, pretending like I'm pushing something, or I'm lifting weights or something. So this really works on your leg muscles. Now you don't have to do as many counts as I'm doing. Do as much as you can do. You can lower your legs after a while, and then like you see, I rest. Now I'm not comfortable with just pushing it at the air, so I'm gonna ask for an extra pair of legs. Now if you have anyone around you, you can just ask them to lie in the same position in the opposite direction and put their feet against your own feet, and then you push against their feet, and they shouldn't make it easy for you, okay? They should resist so that you're able to push and then return. They push back, then you push, and then they push back, okay? This is also very good workouts for your legs. It's also as though you're pushing against some weight, so this helps with your stamina as well. Now the next is cycling in the air, okay? Like you can see, as though I'm riding a bicycle. This is another workout that is also good for your legs and your stamina. So note that my feet are with the heels up and not the toes up, so you just go this way. It also feels like you're pushing against something, and then I'm going to also do it against another pair of legs, okay? So we're gonna keep doing it. I'm in control of the movement, pushing to and fro, and the other person is just resisting me, resisting my push, so that it's not too easy. So you can go on and on for as many times as you wish, or as many times as you can go, and then it's done. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Keep staying fit, keep staying well. God bless you.